morning. Now we're on number 3 of our series about SWOT: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. I'm just going to remind you that your strengths and weaknesses are about you and yourself and the things that you're in control of, and opportunities and threats are about the outside world and things that not exactly are done to you, but that you have to take the state that life is in. Now today we'll move on to opportunities. For a lot of people, particularly when they first start their business, it's really, really easy to see the amazing opportunities that are outside in the outside world. In fact, it's almost overwhelming because you can just see there's a gap in the market there, there's a gap in the market here. I definitely might make a difference in this particular place. And I think I observe that as time goes by, some of that excitement and enthusiasm can ebb away, that we stop noticing because we get into the ordinary routine of life. And so I'm particularly speaking today to those of you that have had your businesses for 3, 4, 5 years or longer. When did you last actually raise your eyes to the horizon and see what else is happening there? Many of you will be up to date with the latest tech and whatever, but really looking at what's going on locally in your specific markets. Have there been competitors that have fallen away and stopped their businesses, and suddenly there's a gap and there's a whole raft of customers that might be available to you? I certainly know of one business recently who did very well from another business in the same sort of line they decided to retire, really quite unexpectedly, and suddenly there was quite a large group of customers available out there on the market. And it's making sure that you're match fit. It's making sure that you're ready for that and that you're grasping those opportunities. Actually, it can be very invigorating. It can be very exciting. This isn't about neglecting your core customers, but in fact, your core customers can be the first place that you should be looking. As their businesses grow, you need to grow. If they've taken on more people, then they may need more of your resources. And doing a review with your customers, you could even go so far as do a SWOT with them to understand their needs ongoing, can be a very powerful way of developing the business. And then of course there are new opportunities as well, and being open to where the trends are and where you might develop your business services further.